5th Standard English Video 4. Fine morning dears, welcome to our English class. Hope all of you are practicing cursive writing, isn't it? Now listen here. Are you boring? No? Okay. Stand up, sit down, up, sit down, raise your hands, up, down, turn left, turn right, front, jump, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. Sit down. Okay, sit down. Now listen here. All of you listen to me. In the last class, we started a story, The Mirror, and we discussed the people were in the island. It's an African folk tale, and the story tells us that the people were unaware about the electronic gadgets and even the mirror. And now listen what's happening there. So first of all, you listen to me. While I am reading, you put your finger under each word. If you don't have textbook, don't worry, I will send the page. Father comes alive. One day, the fisherman was walking along the seashore. What is happening there? A fisherman was walking along the seashore. After the death of his father, it was for the first time he was going out. And what is that? After the death of the fisherman's father, that is the first time he was going out. The story is happening there, where that lonely island, and the people are unaware about the electronic gadgets and other things. Okay, listen here. What happened after that? After the death of his father, it was for the first time he was going out. Oh, my father, how loving he was. He thought, never can I see him again. While walking, he thought that, oh, my father, how loving he was, and I missed him, and he never come. Never can I see him again. He thought like that. So that feeling is there in his mind. What is that? Never can see him again. He can never see his father again. That feeling is there in his mind, and he's walking through the seashore. That was the first time after his father's death he was coming out. Suddenly, what happened? A flash of light fell on his eyes. Suddenly, a flashlight fell on his eyes. Something shining was laying on the sand. So he looked down. Something laying on the sand, and it was shining. He picked it up and looked at it. And he picked that shining thing, he picked it up and looked at it. What happened? He had never seen such a thing before. Such a thing he had never seen like that thing. So he surprised and picked it up and looked at it. He saw a face in it. He had never seen such a thing before. So he picked it up and looked at it. What happened? He saw a face in it. He was scared. Suddenly he saw a face in it. So he scared because he had never seen such a thing in his whole life. So he scared and he threw it away. So when he saw the face in that thing, he threw it away. He scared and he threw it away. But after a while, he walked towards it again. And again he thought, and he walked towards that thing. And he picked it up and saw the face in it again. First he threw it. He scared and he threw it away. Then again he picked it up and looked. He saw the face in it again. So he surprised, he scared. Why? Because he had never seen his own face before. He saw a face in it, but he can't recognize that it was his own face. Why? Because he had never seen his own face before. There was no mirror in the island, and the fisherman didn't get a chance to see a mirror. So first time when he got a mirror, he scared and he threw that mirror away, and he thought that that was something else, and he scared and he thought that the face is others. So he scared and he threw it away. Then again he picked it up and looked at the mirror. He is surprised and he can't recognize his own face. Why? Because he had never get a chance to see his own face. That is why he thought it was his father's face. So while looking at the mirror, he thought that his father came back. That was his father's face, and he was very happy, because while walking he was thinking that, oh my God, I can't see my father lost. I lost my father and never I can see him again. Never can I see him again. Like that he thought, and he was very feeling sad. In that time he got this one thing, and he looking at this face, he thought that God sent him his father's picture. So he thanked God. He thanked God for sending his father's picture. He smiled at the picture. He thought that that was his father's picture. So he smiled at his picture. What a surprise! He smiled back. Isn't it? If we look at the mirror, what will happen? It will reflect. Same thing happened here. The fisherman looked at the mirror picture and he started smiling. The same reflection came back. So he's surprised because he didn't get a chance to see a mirror, and he had never seen his own face before. That is why he surprised. Okay. See, this is an imaginary story. It happened like it's a folk tale. African folk tale. So the writer says that no mirrors are there on that time. We can't imagine that. Just a story. Okay. So here the fisherman got the mirror. That time also while getting that thing also he don't know that was mirror. While reading you can got an idea that was a mirror because the face reflecting. While we looking at the mirror, everything reflecting. That's happening here. But the thing is that, what is the point? The fisherman didn't get a chance to see his own face before in all his life. He had never seen his own face before. That is why he is surprised. So he thought that that picture is his father's. So two questions are there. Why did he think that the face in the mirror was his father's? Why did he think that the face in the mirror was his father's? Because he had never a chance to see his own face before. That is why he thought that the face in the mirror was his father. He had never a chance. The answer is there. He had never seen his own face before. Answer is same there. Same line you can write. He had never seen his own face before. He had never seen his own face before. That is why he thought that the face in the mirror was his father's. Next, second question. What do you think the fisherman will do with the mirror? Easy. He can take it home and keep it there in his puja room. because he thought that that was his father's face, father's picture. So definitely he will take it home and keep it at his home, isn't it? Okay, now once more, read with me. Father, say English Unit 1, the mirror. Father comes alive means find out its meaning. Father comes alive. That is happening this page. The point is that while seeing his own face in the mirror, the fisherman thought that that was his father. That was his father. That was his father. He thought like that because he had never seen his own face before. And once he started smiling, the reflection, same reflection he can see in the picture, in the mirror. But he don't know that it was mirror. So, father comes and he thought that his father came alive. Seashore, shining, scared. Write down this and find out its meaning also. Write these question answers also. Two questions. First question, why did he think that the face in the mirror was his father's? He thought that the face in the mirror was his father's because he had never seen his own face before. Second question, what do you think the fisherman will do with the mirror? Definitely he will take it to his home because he thought that that was his father's face. Father comes alive. That is the heading. By this heading we can what do you mean by this heading? Yeah. By getting this mirror, the fisherman thought that his father came back alive. Okay? Okay, dears. Hope all of you got an idea about this page. Page number 9. Father comes alive. Read this 5 times. And if you have any doubts, call me. See you.